when they have a
Just
song
write,
together to me,
check
like,
and pass, and
Yeah.
you thank me later. On God, man.
okay,
God.
so like, okay, on this episode, I really want to get, because we are not married, me and my brother here,
Type.
but this guy, like, as
OG.
in OG in the game,
Ah.
married, still doing it,
Yeah.
and that is rare, because
Yeah.
usually once people get hitched and everything, leave the responsibilities and all that.
Yeah.
You know, music isn't cheap, to be honest.
No.
And takes-
Music ain't cheap.
it takes your
At all.
time.
Man, just tell that the truth, man. Music, no cheap. If you want actually start music, you need to be focused to know that it is not a business yet until you set your mind to it. So yes, music is not cheap
True.
in any way.
Facts.
See, he had to emphasize that.
Oh,
That's it.
fair.
That's
You
why-
think this thing I said very deep, so you
Ah.
thank me
No,
later.
but